All right, welcome to this series of the lesson. So here in this project, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a jumping game using Scratch programming. So without wasting of time, I will just go straight to my Scratch application here. So this is my Scratch now. So I will just have to take out the sprite, and first I will have to sprite. So my sprite, I will choose a tick. So will be the sprite I will choose. Then here also I will also choose a backdrop. So for the backdrop, I'm gonna choose blue sky for the backdrop. Then so let me take it a little bit in. Beautiful. All right. So for that, I'm gonna quickly go and say when space key press, then repeat 10 step. Then I can also go and say change y by 10. Again, let me repeat the same code again. So again, I will say repeat again and also change y, but this time it will be -10, which is -10. Then also I will quickly add a sound. So this is the sound I'm going to be using. And next, I'm going to also add this and also go to for the first one, I'm going to use a -180, and for the second one, I'm going to also use -120. So let's see if I press the space key, if the chick will jump. So let's click on the green flag and then and make it jump. So now you see that the is jumping. All right. So next, I'm going to also add an obstacle. So the obstacle will be able to will be coming. So while the obstacle is coming, the tick will be jumping over the obstacle. So I'm going to choose egg for that. So let me bring this down here, and also I will just reduce the size to, let's say, 70 should be fine. Then I can also now for the egg, I'm gonna say when my green flag click, wait until sensing here if touching the tick, then I'm gonna have stop all. So if the obstacle touch the tick, automatically the game will stop. So here also I'm gonna add another statement here and say forever, then go to X. Here I will have 240, and here I will have -145. Then again I will also have a glide here for the glide 3 seconds, and here I will have -240 and also -145. So let me quickly go and play and see if it really works. So I click on my green flag and wait. As you can see, it's working. So it's working. So it touches the tick and it stops. So let me increase this and play again. So you see that it's really working. So you see my game. That's my game. So I'm done with it. So when the obstacle comes, the tick jumps. When the obstacle comes, the tick jumps. So if the obstacle collides with the chick, the game stops. So thanks for watching this video.